I feel that we both feel very, very honored and privileged that we are the brand ambassadors for Provoke. And in our capacity, if I may speak for the both of us, in our capacity, I think we will do all that we can to bring out that man's madness. Because believe me, he is mad.
I think Provoke has always had very stylish campaigns, very noticeable campaigns. So whenever I said that, when they found out, they were obviously very, very excited for me. They were happy and they were just wowed by the whole idea. And that's exactly how I feel because A, he's the male counterpart and I think just sharing the same space with him is amazing for me. And it's going to be a great campaign to look forward to even.
The two people, Nikhil, Salil, Provoke basically, is about going beyond, you know, taking dreams to another level and having the courage and the intelligence and the determination to see it through. And I believe in that. I believe in dreaming beyond the ordinary. And that only can happen if you are driven by a certain kind of passion. And I believe that if you truly have passion, no matter what work you do, you know, you might be a garbage cleaner, but if you have passion about doing that well and wanting to be the best garbage cleaner in the world, you will be great in your eyes and in the people's eyes. And that is what is the genesis of this campaign, is passion. I feel that she has a talent that is very, very rare, very, very special. She's an honest actor, and I think that comes from her being the person that she is. You know, in cinema, as actors, you know, we act, but I believe that you can't truly express something that you are not. And so whatever you see of her on the big screen, whatever you appreciate, you know, I think that comes from the person that she is. And I hope that she always protects that, cherishes that. You know, I just want to firstly add that I am probably more excited than anybody else here that Sonakshi is the new face.
How sweet.
We've lived in the same neighborhood. We've known each other as children. I truly believe that, you know, she has a talent. I was just saying that to her backstage, that she has a talent that is rare, it is special, and it must be protected, you know. And I'm just truly glad, and I'm hoping that the next campaign has to be one that's together, yeah. Well, I think I just mentioned that when I started talking, is that when I was talking about the passion and the madness, last night, yesterday, the Indian team proved that we are a line of heroes, as I said. They were up against one of the biggest, the best teams, and it was disheartening when they crossed the mark of 250. And we started off on a low note, and you know, it was disappointing, but that's what heroes are made of, you know. It's the madness that carried them through, you know, to come out of that crease, to hit that six like a Dhoni, to give your life up for that ball. It was absolutely, it was like a perfect, I mean, I'm a film guy, so I will say it in my cinematic way. It was the perfect screenplay of a cricket match.
I obviously enjoyed the whole match, as did everybody else, and over the moon when India won, and a little disappointed when Sachin got out, but you know, he's been the biggest strength our team has had for the longest time, and we're very proud of him, and just really happy for the whole team. I'm glad we got the cup.